How to delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete a shortcut on Snapchat, if you open the Snapchat application, you must have added a certain shortcut, or whenever you take a snap you had the send option here. Here you'll be able to see a list of shortcuts you've created. Let's say one of these shortcuts is not useful to you anymore and that you'd like to delete it. Well, to delete it is very simple. You just want to make sure to tap the plus icon that you can find here, and you should be able to see a list of all the shortcuts. So select the shortcut that you want to delete, tap the three dots option, then just tap on delete shortcut, tap the delete option, and then that shortcut will get successfully deleted. You can also repeat the process for any of the shortcuts that are available over here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then delete a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.